Chinese people are embracing the Lunar New Year, the most important festival of the year. It comes after the country saw sporadic COVID-19 cases in some areas, including Beijing and Shanghai. During this year's holiday, migrant workers are encouraged to stay where they work as a preventive measure. Although many cannot be reunited with their families for the holiday as before, heartwarming stories are always going on. I'm Li Xiaoning, and this is Xinhua Commentary. Let's see these medical workers who once fought COVID-19 on the front lines. Have you ever noticed that when they remove their masks, goggles, and thick protective suits, their faces are covered with scars and shirts drenched in sweat? A hospital in central China's Zhangjiajie is carrying out what they called a facial recovery action to help those medical staff remove the scars and restore their faces. In addition to health workers, policemen are also a major force in the fight against COVID-19. They are stationed at every checkpoint to provide various services people may need. A local company in Shenzhen is donating 6,000 epidemic prevention insurances to Shenzhen Futian Public Security Bureau, giving frontline policemen a better protection. There's a well-known proverb in China: a near friend is better than a far-dwelling relative. Touching moments also came from strangers. Whoever they were in their daily life, they all have a new name during the epidemic. That is volunteer. In northeast China's Jilin province, a local bubble tea shop has offered a total of 3,000 cups of free milk tea to those working on the front lines. If you know how cold it is this winter, you will know how warm the milk tea is. In northwest China's Shanxi province, a shoemaker set up a small shop near the neighborhood to recycle used masks to avoid secondary pollution. More than 3,000 used masks have been recycled so far. He did more than that. See, here in the shop, discarded masks are also exchanged for people's daily necessities. I also wonder how our kids would think of this special experience after the pandemic. Maybe in their eyes, virus fighters are like superheroes in cartoon series who are fighting bad guys every day. In North China's Hebei province, students in a primary school are enjoying every touching moment happening around them. In this series of cartoon paintings, they paid their tribute to everyone who fought on the front line and warmed our hearts. The COVID-19 pandemic has dealt a severe blow to every corner of the world, but thanks to the ones who have recorded the touching moments and made hardships for us, people have the chance to know that we are not alone.